Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where I bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making coconut milk at home. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. If you are lactose intolerant, plant-based milk is a very good alternative for you. So today we are going to learn how to make coconut milk at home with just 2 ingredients. So you have to get dry matured coconuts, and then you crack it open, you take out the coconut meat. So you measure 1 cup of coconut meat versus 1 cup of water, and then you blend them all together. After blending, you just have to get a cheesecloth and a strainer and then strain it. Now the water you get from straining it, that's your coconut milk. It's as simple as that. And the chaff from the milk can be used for your baking, like making coconut bread, coconut cake and all that. You can just blend it smooth and then you dry it, and then you have a coconut flour. So yeah, but today we decided to add vanilla essence to our coconut milk to give it some flavor. It's totally optional. Once you are done, you store it in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 5 days. So if today is your first time coming across this channel, well, we share simple recipes that you can try at home, and it's always easy to follow and always easy to make it yourself. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, share with your friends and family, and also leave us a comment if you would be trying this at home. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.